everybody, it's Allison from the Wandering Moth video blog. This is episode 4, part 2. So if you didn't watch part 1, go back. I am going to talk to you about everything that's going to be in my pack, everything I'm taking backpacking with me. This is going to be a quick video. I've got 2 days before I leave for my trip, so, you know, I'm not busy or anything. I don't have a million things to do. So I did, though, a video about the clothes that I'm bringing, and this is part 2 about the technological items that I'm going to be bringing. So we'll go over all of that, and then I will show a nice little video at the end of me packing everything like a psycho. So stick around for that. If you guys have any questions, I will go back into these videos and put links to all the different things that I have links for like where you can purchase them and everything like that. So I will probably post it first, and then I'll go back and put all that stuff in there. So here it is. This is a backpack that I'm bringing that's going to go in my big backpack. So that's my big backpack. It is made by Cotopaxi. The first thing I want to show on here is this lock that I have. It's a cable lock, and it's hard to do this with one hand. But anyway, this cable comes out really far. It locks into this thing. It's got a combo, as you can see. Really handy for locking it up on buses, etc. Then I also have this. It's called Air Bolt. It's a TSA approved lock. It has a specific code on it that you can beep in. Didn't want to show it to you. I did it wrong anyway. But once you put that code in, it'll unlock. You can also unlock that with your phone. One of the other things that I have on here, this is like a sound thing. How do I describe it? It's like it's to alert people if you're in danger. Anyway, I'm gonna pull it. Oh, so loud. Now you guys have to watch me fiddle with this. Okay, anyway. That's what that does. Really intense. It's really, really loud. So basically, if you feel like someone's coming too close to you and you just want to like try and avoid a bad situation, you pull on that. I have one of those on this backpack, and then one of those on this backpack, and then I have another one on that backpack, and there we are in focus. So continuing, here, this is a like 3 lens thing that goes on your iPhone, so that's cool. Here's another one of those alarm thingies that I have. It's pretty discreet. I've got a little keychain light that clips on, which I like. I don't like the ones that you have to press and hold. I've got some just like D-ring clips with some ponytails on them, whatever. So that's my day backpack. I've got a Eurail map. I did get a Eurail pass. If you're going to be in Europe an extended period of time, I would definitely look into Eurail. Beeswax. These are like basically an economic version of plastic wrap. They self-adhere. Honestly, they're great. So I'm bringing those so I can try and have as minimal waste as possible. Sleep mask, definitely, I think is necessary. Little ponytails for my hair, as you guys can see. I recently got my hair cut, so I don't need big ponytails really, but I brought those little ones. This is the only makeup that I'm bringing, other than one eyeshadow that's not in here right now, but I have a Tide pen. Mascara. Obviously, I don't wear the Tide pen as makeup. Let me just clarify that. I don't know why people, I feel like, would be like, you wear Tide pen as makeup? Anyway, so Tide pen, mascara, concealer. This is like a pink lip balm that has SPF 15 in it. I think that's pretty important. Can also double as a like rouge, blush. Oh my goodness. Throwing things, guys, I'm in such a rush. Brush for the eyeshadow that's not in my bag yet, and then this guy right here. I know I look gorgeous, but I'm only wearing makeup from this collection. So I also have like a nice spray, just smells good. I have some jewelry, nothing super expensive. Why would you bring your expensive jewelry to go backpacking? Because if you get robbed, you'll cry. This is a clothesline that I'll be bringing. This is just plastic bags for random stuff. You know, you never know when you're gonna need plastic bags. Also in here is a plastic bag full of dryer sheets. Thrown in the bag smells good, you don't smell gross. This is a universal drain stopper, so if I need to wash my clothes in a sink, I can do that. That's the reality. This is a microfiber towel. I've tested it. It works great. It feels a little awkward, but it's cool. There's also a washcloth in there. Folds up really small. Little journal that my friend Carol got me. And a pen as well. And what is on this pen, you ask? If you asked. What is on this blurry pen is duct tape. So I took duct tape and I wrapped it around the pen because you can't really fit a roll of duct tape in here. So I just have a bunch of random stuff with duct tape on it. It works. Female products. All right. Listen, we're gonna start talking about female stuff now. If you have an issue with anything having to do with female hygienics, I seriously beg you not to watch this or comment stupid things about it. Female hygiene is a thing. It happens, right? To all people who are women. So if you have any issue with any of those sensitive feminine products, then I would urge you not to continue this video. So this is a Diva cup. This is actually a Schoon cup. That's the brand. But it's a menstrual cup. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm going to boil it before I leave because I'm touching it on the table. But anyway, really convenient. And I also have period panties. If you watched my last video, I talked about that as well. This is just some like cuticle oils and things like that. Eye drops, floss, toothpaste, like Neosporin, Advil, it's actually Bayer, deodorant, travel vibrating toothbrush. Honestly, I traveled and I did like a test with a regular toothbrush and it just doesn't seem as good as an electronic toothbrush. So I got a travel one. It just takes one AAA battery. Then I also have some like anti-itch ointment. I get bit by bugs all the time, so I thought that was important for me. Then I also have this little tin. It's got like my vape pen in it. It has a little spool of thread and a needle and a pin, as well as nail clippers, tweezers, and that's all that's in there. Then I have some Band-Aids, as well as some pads, some Pepto-Bismol, and not pads, but panty liners. Some more there as well, and some feminine wipes, because after long days of hiking, you never know when you're gonna need a little refresher. These are small, leak-proof shampoo and conditioners. I feel like it's not really necessary, but I thought it was kind of cool, so I just got them anyway. Then I have, are you guys still with me? Are you still with me? Then we have, this is my iPad 4 mini. I got this, oh my goodness, guys, bear with me. Bear with me. Keep watching. I got this iPad 4 mini, and I got this case with it. It's a really cool case. I like it. You can actually spin the screen around. Look at how fancy that is. And it works, oh my God. It works really well, okay? It's thin, it's pretty lightweight. I had a different case for it that was like leather, and I actually really liked it, but it was too heavy and it wasn't as practical. I couldn't like manipulate the screen into as many angles as I could with this one. This is 2 laundry bags wrapped up together. I'm not gonna unwrap those. I have my, what is this called, guys? What is this called? What is it called? Money belt. It's called a money belt. It's got my passport, it's got my cards, it's also got another pen with duct tape on it, just like that one. All of my important documents will be strapped to my abdomen, so you'd literally have to stab me to get it. And that's not an invitation. Please do not do that if you see me. Then I also have compression bags. Compression bags are amazing. You put all your stuff in there. There's a secondary zipper that basically like compresses all of it. I will be loading these up when I do a, like, what is it called? A time lapse of me packing everything. I'll be putting everything in here. All my clothes go into these compression bags, and it really makes a humongous difference. Okay, electronics. I have a converter, right? For a whole bunch of different places. This is a great converter. It is a 250, whatever those numbers and things say on it. You guys who are techie will know more about these things. I just know that this is the kind that I need because I don't run any large laptops or anything like that, so I don't need a higher wattage. Is that the word I'm trying to think of? Anyway, also bringing this little travel you know, extension cord with some plugs on it, because I was told by many people in many places on many blogs that in hostels a lot of the time there's one plug. And I actually read in the reviews to see if there's like a huge issue with plugs. But I brought that because, one, I was told it's the way you can make friends when you have multiple plugs. Two, I just feel like it's necessary to bring it. But I don't know. I'm still kind of on the fence about that. Anyway, extra backup headphones. My regular headphones will be in my backpack or like in my pocket or probably in my ears most of the time. So extra backup headphones, iPhone charger. This is you can't really see it, so I guess I'll pull it out. But this is a hotel key card that has more duct tape on it, because you really don't ever know when you're gonna need duct tape or how much you're gonna need, and it can really come in handy. So that's what I did. I read that somewhere on something. This is one of those iPhone converter things. Everybody knows about that. It's really annoying. Fuck your iPhone, even though I love you. I am talking a million miles a minute. I'm sorry, guys. I love you so much. This is a plug for this thing. This thing is basically like, you don't even have to have your phone, and you can play Spotify music off of this thing. It's like an MP3 player that will download your Spotify music, and then you can take it around with you wherever you go. Super convenient and small. I love it. I think it's going to be great for traveling. Somebody gave me this as a gift. A couple more chargers, another backup iPhone charger, another pluggy thing. I don't know words today, guys. Some micro USB chargers, a tile tracker, so I can see if somebody takes my stuff. This is a backup battery for my phone, which I'm filming with my phone right now, so I can't really show you guys, but it hooks right into the back of the case, and then it plugs in and it charges it, and it actually works really well. And then the last thing that I have to show you guys, the last thing here, dun, 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 that's a light, another charging cord. Oh my god. This is an external battery pack, and it is 10,000 mAh. 10,000 mAh, guys, okay? I know that's not how you say it, but it's really thin, and it holds a charge. Oh my gosh, so blurry. And it holds a charge really well. So I've got this, and I've got this for my phone. So I feel like I'm pretty good. This can actually charge my iPad like once. So this is cool. I don't know. I like it. It's great. Everything's great. So that's it, guys. That is what we have. That is what is in my pack. That's what's going to Europe. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions, let me know. Check out my blog, thewanderingmoth.com. And peep that. thewanderingmoth.com, and I also have a Facebook page, The Wandering Moth. I'm feeling super silly today, so I don't know if people have noticed that I'm way more silly, but I have so much to do, I think I might be going crazy. So, or, you know, more crazy. So, if you guys like this, please like, subscribe, and comment. Say the things, do the things, help me on this journey. I will be posting so much more because I'm going to have a bunch of time to do so. So, love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and here's me packing my bag like a crazy person.